Welcome to our series on creating impactful educational courses. In this video, we'll dive deep into a crucial step, gathering feedback. This is how you ensure your courses truly resonate with learners. For anyone looking to create engaging and effective educational content, understanding your audience is paramount. Why? Because without their input, you're just guessing. This video will show you how to connect directly with your target learners and build courses they'll love. Gathering feedback is crucial for course development because it allows you to align your content with actual learner needs and expectations. It's about building a bridge between what you think they need and what they truly desire. So how do you go about gathering this invaluable feedback? There are several effective methods you can employ, from broad outreach to intimate conversations. We'll explore each one. One of the most efficient ways is through animated surveys and feedback forms. These tools can display real-time responses and statistics, giving you an immediate pulse on your audience's preferences and pain points. Another powerful method is conducting online focus groups. Imagine a virtual room where professionals from your target audience share their collective insights, bounce ideas off each other, and give you nuanced perspectives that surveys alone can't capture. For a deeper understanding, don't underestimate the power of one-on-one discussions. These direct conversations allow you to ask follow-up questions, explore individual motivations, and uncover subtle needs that might otherwise be missed. It's about building a connection. So what's the ultimate value of all this feedback? It's simple. It provides clear direction. Instead of making assumptions, you're making data-driven decisions that directly address your learners' requirements, leading to higher engagement and satisfaction. By actively listening to your audience, you ensure your courses are not only relevant, but also highly engaging. Learners are more likely to complete and recommend courses that truly meet their needs and keep them hooked. Feedback is the engine for continuous improvement. It allows you to refine course offerings, address weak points, and highlight strengths. Think of it as a continuous cycle of learning and adaptation, always striving for excellence. Emphasizing continuous input is key. Course development isn't a one-and-done process. Regular check-ins and feedback loops ensure your content remains fresh, valuable, and aligned with evolving industry and learner needs. Now that you've gathered invaluable insights and refined your course concept, you're perfectly positioned for the next exciting phase. This learner-centric approach sets a strong foundation for success. Remember, the value of learner involvement cannot be overstated. When learners feel heard and see their input reflected in your courses, they become more invested, leading to a truly impactful educational experience. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into the next crucial step in developing high-quality, in-demand educational courses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell